Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mercy. So today I'm showing you guys a typical day in my life and how much I spend on feeding daily. Yeah.
I wake up, I see you as you leave. I feel it, I see it as you leave. When we kiss, I want deep, but you're far away. Be back there, but we back sure. We be still there.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a day in my life and how much I spend on feeding. I did something like this last year, spending 500 naira a day, and it was a bit success. So I want to try it again this time around and see how much I'm going to spend on feeding for the whole day. So let's get right into the video.
You used to be my everything, treated me like I was a queen.
Gosh, I was so exhausted here because the Lagos traffic has drained me. If you're planning to move to Lagos, man, you need to have a lot of patience. Like, sis, if you don't have patience, you're gonna lose it one day. Like, you're going to lose it. The traffic alone is something else. Every day you wake up 5 to 5:30 a.m. to spend hours on traffic before you get to work, and when you get to work you're expected to deliver. No sluggishing. You will still give your best at work. Yeah, that is Lagos for you, and this is where you're going to be facing every day. 5 days in a week you face. In the morning going to work and in the evening coming back, you spend like 2 hours or more every day. So can you just imagine spending 4 hours on traffic every day? See, so Lagos is not for the faint-hearted though.
I wake up, I see you as you leave. I feel it, I see it as you leave. When we kiss, I want deep, but you're far away. Be back there, but we back sure. We be still there.
Okay, so I'm taking something light this morning, Cadbury and bread. This Cadbury is I prefer it because it contains milk and I like the taste. So this costs like 250. The bread is 100 naira and the Cadbury is 150. Yeah.
Used to be my everything, treated me like I was a queen. What spell did it cast on me? Or what's it a make believe? They say, girl, never be afraid, ever loving me. Those words I hung too. Oh God, I was a fool. You became my bad habit. You bring up appearances, so you could notice. Suddenly, big the things that left the game. That's crazy. Be back there, even shock. Baby, still you want it, come. You want just shock. I wake up.
So that's the kind of thing you like. You said the other one you
I
did not
see
say
you.
you didn't really understand it.
So which one?
As you
No, I'm
leave,
not doing it in my life. How much assistance on feeding?
I feel it. I see
Now you
it.
are just wearing scared to answer the partner to look at him.
Is it like a song? Nice, that's not a great.
How many did you get a pair of these?
I'm not trying to get. I'm not even getting this water and that's why. So I'm not going to do that. I think it's going to turn the one is I'm not even like.
Used to be my everything, treated me like I was a queen. What spell did it cast on me? Or what's it a make believe? They say, girl, never be afraid, ever loving me. Those words are
The food here is not that expensive. This food I bought cost about 500 naira.
you've been up like kerosene, so you could notice. Everyone you saw the lead, big the things that left the beam. That's crazy. I wake up, I see you as you lead.
So guys, I'm home and here is what I prepared this evening. I got home in less than 2 hours because there was no crazy traffic like that. So I decided to prepare this local food. It's called oba. If you're an Igbo, you should know what oba is. I have the flour and it didn't take up to 40 minutes and the food was ready. So basically I was able to spend just 750 today at work. That's surprising. Normally I used to eat snacks like but this time around I was focused on the major meal and I was able to minimize my spending today because normally I will spend so much on it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.